we have studied about the intervals. So firstly we have started that is the 1.3 as a subset next subsets of the real number, and next power set. After that we came to the intervals. So interval means what? So you come to know that the meaning of the interval is nothing, it is nothing but the in between. So here we have to take all the real number between two real numbers. Suppose if we have any real number, for example a and b are the two real number and a is less than b. So we have to collect all the real number between these two is nothing but the interval. How we are collecting on that basis? Whether we are including this a and b, excluding a and b. So if we include a and excluding b, excluding a and including b, on that basis we are getting the different types of interval. So firstly we will start that if a and b are the real number and a is less than b, the first interval is that, so which we have, that is the a comma b, which we call it as an open interval. Means both a and b are excluded, it is not included. How we write that in a set builder form? Means collection of real number, and the real number between what? A and b, between a and b. So that is x is less than a and greater than a and less than b. So here they have not included, and the collecting between all the real number between a and b, not including a and b, that is called as an open interval. And symbolically we express in a diagrammatical form, that is a to b. So if we included a, so we should dark the circle, but here it is not included, means we have to draw a circle like this, which we call as an open circle. If we are not going to include the end point, so we have to draw the open circle. If we are including the end points, we have to shade that circle. So in between that we are collecting. So we are collecting all the real number between this. So this is a diagrammatical representation of that is the open interval. So next we come to the another interval, that is the closed interval, which we call it as a to b. Closed interval. How we express that is in the set builder form is x such that x belongs to the real number. So such, and here both are included. Both are included means how we express that? X less than or equal to b and greater than or equal to a. So equality gives that we are included, that is a and b. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೈತ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ include ಮಾಡೇರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ. So next we come to that is how we represent that diagrammatical form. ಅದನ್ನ diagrammatically ಹೆಂಗೆ ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕ್ರಿ? Suppose here we have a number line a to b, these are the two number. We have to collect all the real number between a and b. ಅದನ್ನ diagrammatically ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕಾಗೈತ್ರಿ. So ಹೆಂಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೇವೆ? So whether a is included or equal to is there, it means it is included. So it means that we have to dark that circle. ಅದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Dark ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So whether b is included, then we have to dark that circle. So after that, in between that also it is included. For that we have to say. So this is a way of diagrammatical representation of the interval. So for this we call it as a closed interval. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೇವೆ? Closed. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ open interval. And it is a closed interval. So next we come to that is open closed, which we call as a semi open. Open closed ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರೀತೀವಿ? Open, one side is open and another side it is closed. So for if we use that is a open means it is not included, so closed means it is included. How we write that in a set builder form? So collection of x belongs to the real number and x is between what? A and b, but a is not included, b is included. So that is the collection of x less than or equal to b, equal, square bracket is there means it is included. So a is not included, means not equal. So this is called as a open closed interval. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ open closed. ಇದನ್ನ diagrammatically ಹೇಗೆ represent ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ನಾವು? So here we have a and it is a b. Here is a and b. So a is included, not included means which circle we have to use there? So that is a open circle. Open circle use ಮಾಡೋದು. So a b is included, so included. There we have to use the dark circle. Dark the circle. If we are including that, we have to dark the circle, and in between that we have to set. Means we have included already. So whatever we are including, that should be in a dark form only. ಏನು ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಯಾವಾಗಲೇ ಏನ್ರಿ ಡಾರ್ಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ನಾಗ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಾದು ಬರೀ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಓಪನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ನಾಗ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So this is called as a open closed. So next we come to the another interval, that is a closed open. A is closed and B is open. That is a collection of x such that x belongs to the real number. X belongs to the real number. So here A is included and B is not included. That collection is called as a closed open interval. ಅವಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ closed open ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So such that how we write that is B is not included equal to ಬರೀಬೇಕು. So next A is included is equal to A. So that is called as a closed open interval. Closed open interval. And these are the four intervals which we have already studied. On these we are going to solve the example. ಇವುಗಳ ಬೇಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಾಕತ್ತೀವಿ ಈಗ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಾಕತ್ತೀವಿ. We are going to solve the examples on the basis of these intervals. So these are called as a closed open interval. This representation is called as a set roster format. We call for this as a roster, and it is called as a set builder. So here we have to discuss the examples regarding the transformation of these two. One set builder to the roster, roster to the set builder. Like this we have to study. So if they have given like this, we have to express like this. If they have given like this, we have to write like this. So here we got the clear idea about how to express. So if they have given in the set builder to the roster and roster to the set builder. So using all these four intervals, first we are going to discuss. So that is the first problem. Write the following as an intervals. Means we have to express this given. So that is the set builder into the roster form. Set builder ne kottane. Set builder yavaglu collection by variable irthe. So that we have to collect the real number between what? So that is -4 to 6. -4 to 6 we have to collect. Means in between. It is an interval. So that we have to write in a roster form. Roster form naga baribeku. Heng baritri? So 4 include illi. Ellitre ellige 4 to 6. So we'll write that is equal to. So whether 4 is included or not. If it is not included, which symbol we are using? Open. Open. So means small bracket -4 to where? 6. Whether 6 is included or if it is included here, included, which bracket we are using? Square bracket. Square bracket 6 including 6. Including 6. So we are collecting from -4 to 6, excluding -4, including 6. So if the excluded means we have to use this small bracket. If we included means square bracket. Including a square bracket, excluding a small bracket. So this we have to remember that to represent the interval in the open closed interval. It is a open closed. Why? Because one side is open and another side is closed. So open closed. So next we move to that is a second. And also we can represent this in a diagrammatical form also. Diagrammatically ನೀವು ತೋರಿಸಬಹುದ್ರಿ ನಾವು. So diagrammatically ಹೆಂಗೆ ತೋರಿಸೋದ್ರಿ? So ಇದು 0 ರೀ. ಹೌದ್ರಿ? -1 -2 -3 so -4 is a number line. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Here we have to collect all the real numbers from where to where? -4 to 6. So but whether 4 is included, minus 4. No. No means which type of circle? Open circle. So whether 6 is included? Yes, included means which type of circle we have to use here? Dark circle. Nodri, include ittandre dark, include illilla andre open, ನಡವರ್ಗಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. So this is a representation, diagrammatical representation of the interval. So ಇದನ್ನ ಸೇಮ್ ಇವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೇವಿ ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅದೇನು ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡೇವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, so it means that we have collected all the real number between this. So this is a diagrammatical representation of the interval. So next we move to that is the second problem, that is x such that x belongs to the real number, x belongs to the real number, x belongs to the real number minus 12 to minus 10, minus 12 to minus 10, so minus 10. So both are not included here. If both are, if equality is there, equal sign is there, it is included. If the equal symbol is not there, means it is excluded, not included. So then which type of interval it is? We can easily identify here only, open interval. So it is a nothing but the open interval. We know how to write that. Open interval, that is equal to open interval. So open interval again, small bracket, minus 12 to where? Minus 10. So both are not included. So means both side open interval, both side a small bracket only we have to use. So then how we represent this in a diagrammatical form? So here we have, that is, suppose it is a minus 10, minus 11. So here we have a 0. This is 0 ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರಿ 0 ಲೆತ್ರ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾಗಿ. So next we come to that is minus 12. So in between these two we have to collect minus 12 to minus. So whether both are included? No. So which type? Open circle. In between that we have to include. For that, so this is a how we represent that is in a diagrammatical form. So like this we have to represent. So next we come to that is the third problem. So the collection of x, x belongs to the real number, x belongs to the real number 0 to 7, 0 to 7, 0 to 7. So 0 is included, but 7 is not included. So which type of interval it is? So closed open interval. So why? Because enclosed means closed, it is end, and 7 it is opened. So that which type of, for including which type of symbol we are using? That is a square. From where to where? 0 to up to where? 7. So whether it is included? No. Not included means small. So this is a way of representing, that is the in a roster form, intervals in a roster form. So next we come to that is the a diagrammatical representation. Diagrammatical representation. Diagrammatical represent ನೋಡೋಣ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ರೆ 0 ಲಿಂದ 7. ಇದು 0 ರೀ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 ಹೌದ್ರಿ. ಸೊ 0 ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಆಗೈತೋ ಇಲ್ಲ? ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಆಗೈತ್ರಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಐತಿ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಇದ್ದದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ? ಸೊ ಡಾರ್ಕ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್. For including element we have to dark the circle. 7 is excluded, it is not included, open circle. In between that we have to say it like this. So this is the way of representing, that is the intervals in a diagrammatical form. So next we come to that is the fourth problem, fourth example, that is the collection of x such that x belongs to the real number, x belongs to the real number 3 to 4, 3 to 4. So 3 is included and also 4 is also included. So what we have to collect? We have to collect the all the real number between 3 and 4 including 3 and 4. That is called as the called as a closed interval. It is called as a closed interval. So is called, how we write that? If it is included means which bracket we are using, that is square bracket. So that is including square bracket. 3 to 4 both sides. Which type of interval we call it as closed interval? It is closed interval. Why? Because we included both the sides. So next here we come to, that is a diagrammatical representation of these intervals. ಇವ್ಕೂರ್ನ diagrammatically ಹೆಂಗ್ represent ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿ? So that we will study. So 3 to 4. Here we have a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So both we have. So 3 is also included. So we have to dark. 4 is also included. Then we have to dark the circle. So in between that, so we have to include. So this is a way of representing, that is the closed interval in the real number line. So next, so we have completed all the intervals. So first open close, closed open, open interval and closed intervals. So let me take the examples regarding this. Idra value example thodondri homework kodtindri avu ಮಾಡಿ. So you have to do. So let me take the first example as a homework. A collection of x such that x belongs to the real number. So x between 2 to 5. 2 to 5. And the second example is that, so that is homework for you. So x belongs to the real number minus 2 to 6. Next, third example, that is x belongs to the real number between minus 3 is equal to x less than minus 1. And the fourth one is that the collection of x such that x belongs to the real number. So minus 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 7. So this completes. You have to solve this and send me. So you have to do all the homeworks what I am giving for you. So otherwise it will become a very difficult for you to understand that. It seems that you are not following me. So next, here we have discussed the examples of a set builder to roster form. So next we come to, that is the, so here they have given, that is the roster form. We have to express them in a set builder form. Roster form ne kottirtandre set builder ne express. So write the following intervals. So next we come to, that is another type of example. Write the following intervals in the set builder form. So we have to write the following intervals. They have given the intervals, 4 intervals are there. We have to write them in a set builder form. Set builder form means we have already known about the set builder. Set builder is nothing but the collection of all the numbers. So that should be expressed in by the single variable. We have to collect the numbers by a single variable, and for that variable we have to write a specified property to get all the real number between this. So next we come to, that is the write the following intervals in a set builder form. Set builder form means we have to express that by a single variable. The collection should be by a single variable. For that single variable we have to write the specified property which obeys or which represent all the numbers of the given set. So that is called as a set builder form. So here they have given the intervals. So we have to express the interval in a which form? Set builder form. So that is open interval minus 3 to 4. So it is nothing but, the interval is nothing but the collection of all the real numbers. So how we write? By the single variable. by 3 by single variable we have. So where this comes? So it is from the real number. X belongs to the real number. Between where to where? Whether we have to collect all real number or not. So between is there. That is the interval we are studying. Means between must be there. Between ittandra the interval antevre. Illandre it is not a. It becomes the set. It is not an interval. So here we have an interval. We are studying about the interval means between where? -3 to 0. In between -3 to 0. So whether they are included or not, they are not included. Both sides they are not included means. So how we write that is -3 is less than x less than 0. So this collection is called as an open interval. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೇವ್ರಿ open interval ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So next we come to that is another. The first problem is over. So second example we are going to discuss, that is 6 to 12. 6 to 12 is equal to x such that x belongs to the real numbers. X belongs to the real numbers. So between what? 6 to 12. Between 6 to 12. So including whether they are included 6 or not. So included 6. But 12 it is also included. So including 6 to including 12. So this is called as a representation of the set builder form. So next we come to that is the third question. Third example. Which type? Open 6 and 12 is closed. So what we have to? We have to collect all the real number between 6 and 12. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಟರಿ 6 ಮತ್ತು 12 ಮಟ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಎಲ್ಲ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಬಟ್ 6 ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Excluding 6 and including 12. So how we write that? The collection of real number x belongs to the real number including 6 or not? No, it is not included. Excluding 6. So 6 is not included. Equality is not there. So 12 is included. Is included 12. So next we come to that is the fourth one. So fourth one which we have, that is so -23 to 5. -23 to 5 is equal to the collection of x such that x belongs to the real number. X belongs to the real number. So whether -23 is included or not? It is included. 5 is included? No, it is not included. It is excluded. Then how we write? -23 is included. So that is equality. 5 is not included. So that is excluded. So this is. So we have to collect all real numbers between -23 to 5. So and the 23 is including 23. We have to start from -23 to up to where? 5. 5 is not included. So this is a way of expressing, that is a intervals in the set builder form. The set builder form. So next I will give a homework for you. So the first So these are the homework for you to express these intervals into the set builder form. Into the set builder form. If it is included, we will get the square bracket. If it is not included, small bracket. So next example, what inversal sets would you propose for each of the following sets? They have given the set of right angles and set of isosceles triangles. So for these two sets, so which is a universal set, we have to write that. So which will become the universal set? So here we have to have an idea about the universal set. Universal set means what? A set which containing all the elements of its possible subsets. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ, ಯಾವ ಸೆಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸು ಇರ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಅದ್ರೊಳಗೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಎದುರು ರೀ ಅದರದ್ದು ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಆತ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಅದ್ರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸು ಅದ್ರಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಸೇ ದಟ್ ಎ ಇಸ್, ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಫ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸೆಟ್ 1 2 3, ಬಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಸೆಟ್ 2 4 6, ಸಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಸೆಟ್ 1 2 3 4 5 6 5 6. So here if we observe that three sets are there, which of these becomes the subsets? ಇದ್ರಾಗ ಯಾವ subsets ಆಗ್ತಾವ್ರಿ, ಯಾವ್ದ್ರದ್ದು ಯಾವ್ದು subset ಆಗ್ತಾವ, which will become a which subsets? So first we have to identify whether they will become a subsets or not. So see here, A with compare with B, 1 2 3 is there. Here 2 4 6, so A is not become a subset of, so that is 1 2 3 1 2 3 is there, means A becomes a subset of C. A is the subset of C. A is a subset of C. So how we say that A is a subset of C? Because all the elements of A are the elements of C. So for that reason we say that A is a subset of C. And whether what about B? B ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಏನೈತಿ 2 4 6 ಐತಿ, 2 4 6 is also there, means it confirms that B is so subset. So these are the two different sets and they are the subset of C, and the subsets, so A and B are the subset of C, and C is containing all the elements of its subsets or not. So whether C contain all the elements of its subsets or not, ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅದಾವಿಲ್ರಿ. ಸೊ A ದಾನು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅದಾವ್ರಿ, B ದಾನು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅದಾವ, ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು A ಮತ್ತು B ಏನ್ರಿ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ಸ್. So C is containing all the elements of its subset, then we call it as a universal set. So for which we call as a universal set means a set which containing all the elements of its subset. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ಸ್, ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ universal set. Why? Because it containing, that is a even number, odd number, so the prime number, perfect square number. So for these all the numbers, the natural number becomes the universal set. And if you take the natural number, integer, real number, rational number, in this real number become a universal set. Why? Because real number containing all the elements of its subset. We know already the real number, natural number is a subset of real number, integer is a subset of real number, so rational number is also a subset of real number. So means all the numbers, natural number, integer, rational, all are there in the real number or not. So for that reason we call that is a real number is a universal set. So here we have to identify for these two examples, these two sets which will become a universal set. So which is that? The set of right angle triangle, so isosceles triangle. Suppose if we collect the triangles, in the triangles which type of triangles we are getting? So in the triangles we will get that is right angle triangle also, scalar triangle also, isosceles triangle also, so equilateral triangle also, so we obtuse, acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle. So all the triangles, all these different types of triangles comes in the set of triangle only or not. So means what we prefer for this two example, that is the set of all triangle will become the universal set for the both the ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾವ್ರಿ, ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಯಾವ್ದು ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಸೊ ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ರೈಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಬರ್ತದ್ರಿ ಐಸೋಸೆಲಸ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಬರ್ತೈತ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾಯ್ತ್ರಿ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ set of all triangles becomes the universal set. So for both of these the set of triangles is the universal set is the universal set of the triangles is the universal set for both the set why because in the triangle so in the triangles we will get right angle triangle also isosceles triangle also acute angle triangle also obtuse angle triangle also so scalar triangle also so we get that is the equilateral triangle also we get all triangles in the set of the triangles is the universal set for the given two examples. So given the set A is equal to 1 3 5 and B is equal to 2 4 6 and C is equal to 0 2 4 6 8 which of the following may be the considered as a universal set of for all the three sets A B C. So for which we call as a universal set we have already came to know that by using the previous example for which we say that is a universal set means it is a kind of set which containing all the elements of its subset. So here they are asking about A, B, C means we have to observe about the A, B, C. So in which element all the elements of this set three sets are there or not so that we have to identify. Here first we will start with identifying first example 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 is there. So 1 3 5 is there means A is a subset. So A is a subset 1 3 5 is there. Next about 2 2 4 6 2 4 6 is there. So next here 0 2 4 6 8 8 is not there. Means for C so the first one will not become C is not a subset of this. If it is not a subset means so it will not become a universal set. It is wrong. It fails to become an universal set. Why? Because so a given three sets must and should be a subset. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಮೂರು ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಮೂರು ಸೆಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಮೊದಲು. So this phase next we come to the second one. So what is a null set? Null set is a subset of every set but every set is not a subset. This phase next here we come to that 0 so here first 1 3 5 1 3 5 is there. Second set 2 4 6 2 4 6 is there. 0 is there. 2 4 6 8 remaining are also means all these three sets are a subset of this set. So then all the elements of these three sets are there in this set. Then what we say that it is a universal set. It is a universal set of A B C. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಈ ಮೂರು ಸೆಟ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ that will become the universal set. Next the last one is there that also we have to check now. So 1 3 5 is there. A is a subset. So next 2 4 6 2 4 6 is there. So C is not become. Why? Because 0 is not there. How can C becomes the subset? So it is not a subset of. So here this is also fails to become an universal circle. So this completes the problem and exercise 1.3. Tomorrow we'll start about the Venn diagram. So then operations on the sets. Venn diagram and operations on the sets. So we'll discuss tomorrow.